Hi everyone, Valerie here with this week's 2-minute tech tip. Last week we talked about the default, unread, important, or starred first inboxes. This week we're going to look at the priority inbox and multiple inboxes. Let's start with the priority inbox. Click on the cog to open your settings and then on Customize underneath that. A priority inbox allows you to split your inbox into up to 4 sections. They can have criteria like unread, important, starred, all those things. Note that important and unread means that the messages displayed there are both important and unread. Unread only messages will not appear in that section. You can also choose how many items are displayed in each section and what to do with it if there are no messages that match that criteria. For example, I'm going to tell Gmail to not display the starred section if there are no starred messages. Let's look at our new inbox. Up at the top we have my unread messages, then the starred section. Now, the way I would use an inbox like this is to star messages related to projects I'm currently working on. When I finish with the project, I unstar the message and it drops down to the rest of my mail. Now let's look at using multiple inboxes. The multiple inbox option is search-based, so you can create up to 5 sections based on whatever criteria you want and name them whatever you like. For example, to create an inbox containing your starred messages, you would create the search is:*starred. That would put all your starred messages into one inbox. You can also create inboxes based on certain search terms. Let's say I want all my messages that mention the Persephone library in one inbox. I can put that in the search box. Finally, let's say I want all my messages that come from a certain email address to appear in one inbox. I can do that by typing in the address and preceding it with the word from followed by a colon. You can then choose how many messages appear in each section. I'm going to stick with the default 9. Let's take a look at what this inbox looks like. So here we go. Our first section here is starred messages. And if you look at the top right of that inbox, we see that it's showing messages 1 through 3 of total messages. As we scroll down to the library news sections, it's showing 1 through 9 of about 22 messages. Because of the limit on the number of messages displayed in each inbox, we're not seeing all the messages that match the search. If we delete one of these messages, a new one will appear at the bottom. At the bottom, we have our main inbox, which shows all the messages that don't match our searches. Multiple inboxes allows you to really customize how you read your mail. I think it's especially useful if you forward mail from another address to your Gmail one. You can then have all the mail from that other address gathered and easy to find in one place. As you've seen, there are lots of ways to arrange your inbox. I suggest experimenting to find the one that works best for you. Next week, we'll talk about searching your email. That's it for today. Take care.